how to log out of Microsoft Teams. So if you want to log out of your Microsoft Teams, then first go for the upper right, which has that Google Apps, and then go for Teams. Then first of all, you need to open up a browser, any browser that you're comfortable with. Go for the search bar and search for Microsoft Teams. And go for the first search, which is microsoftteams.com. And now you need to sign into your Microsoft Teams. And once you've signed in, now if you want to sign out of your account or if you want to sign out of your Microsoft Teams, then you can simply go for the upper right, which has your profile icon. Or if you have your Microsoft Teams application, then you can simply open up your application. And now if you want to log out of your account, then you can go for your profile, which is on the upper right. And here you will have sign out option. Click on sign out, and once you click on sign out, it will sign you out of your Microsoft Teams account. So that's it. That's how you sign out of your account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.